Monkey wants bananas. Not just one banana, many bananas. So monkey plants a banana tree. Yes, banana trees are technically plants we know. Just go with it. Monkey waters the tree. Nothing happens. Next week, monkey waters it again. Still nothing. The week after that, nothing. 40 years later, monkey has 1 million banana trees. This is investing. Investing means monkeys put small amounts of money towards something over time, so it can grow into much more in the long term. It's putting money into anything monkey believes will increase in value in the future. Monkeys can invest in many things: banana stocks, banana bonds, banana real estate, banana crypto, banana commodities, banana collectibles, precious banana gems, even small non-banana businesses or index funds and ETFs. We'll get to those soon. Why not just save money? Because leaves just sit in the monkey bank doing nothing. They don't grow, don't wilt, just sit there lonely and sad. Meanwhile, monkey bankers often invest your leaves themselves and make profits, sometimes investing in ethical things, sometimes not so much. Our company installs solar panels on wind turbines made from recycled plastic. Oh, that's nice. Wait, why is ominous music playing? Our company makes gasoline by grinding fossil fuels, alcohol, tobacco, and gambling. Take my money. Please just take it. If monkey invests, instead of only saving monkey's leaves, can slowly but steadily grow. Saving alone can be dangerous over time. Inflation makes bananas more expensive and monkey's leaves lose value. But if monkey's investments grow faster than inflation, monkey's leaves still gain value. For example, if bananas increase 3% per year, but monkey's investments grow 6%. Monkey still comes out ahead. Some investments like gold, property, oil, or certain bonds rise with inflation and help protect value. Investing also helps monkey earn more leaves over time, because when investments grow, so does monkey's money. Now active versus passive investing. Monkey wants to invest, so monkey watches 30 hours of YouTube. Technical analysis reads corporate statements, studies banana market trends, and scrolls R/2 the stocks until 6 a.m. Monkey's head hurts. So instead, monkey simply puts 10 leaves a week into an index fund. These are the two main investing styles. Active, where monkey researches, picks individual stocks, and buys the dip. No, not that dip, this dip. And passive, where monkey regularly invests the same amount no matter what the market is doing, also called dollar cost averaging. Both strategies have risks. Monkeys don't always know if the dip is truly the dip, and the stock market can, and historically, has crashed. Risk versus reward. Every investment has risk. Bananas could trend on TikTok, then get cancelled. Some investments offer high reward but high risk. Others are lower risk but grow slowly. To make it simple, monkey makes a financial investment tier list. Pretty good protects against inflation, and the coins make monkey feel like a pirate. But gold doesn't pay dividends. B tier, real estate. Hard unless monkey can actually afford property. Good for passive income with rent, but risky. D tier, crypto, complicated, very volatile, but Bitcoin has been solid for 9 years. C tier, NFTs, individual stocks. A lot of work unless monkey is Warren Baboon. E tier, fight me finance monkeys. Index funds and ETFs, absolute GOAT. Consistent, low risk, low reward, but great for long-term wealth. A tier, bananas. Obviously S tier, banana rare, banana valuable. Now index funds and ETFs explained. Monkey wants to invest, but doesn't want to pick just one stock. So monkey buys an index fund, a basket of many stocks, like the top 500 companies in monkey jungle. Monkey's leaves are split among all 500. This spreads risk if one company fails. Monkey's total investment doesn't drop too much. Index funds have one price per day. Bananas cost 2 leaves today. Okay, an ETF exchange-traded fund is similar, but its price can change minute by minute. How much are bananas? 6 leaves. Oh, okay, 3 leaves. Didn't you say 6 12 leaves are we bargaining 1 leaf? How to start investing with little money. This is not financial advice. Please do not sue Monkey. Investing on a small budget means deciding how many leaves Monkey can invest while still living comfortably and buying the occasional banana smoothie. Monkey can start small and increase later. The easiest way is using an app that automates weekly or monthly investing. Then 40 years later, Monkey rich. Mistakes beginners make. Investing more than Monkey can afford. Expecting huge results immediately. Not investing consistently. Panicking when the market drops. Trying get-rich-quick schemes. Thanks for watching. Monkeys now understand investing.